Guys, in this video we're going to be doing French curls. I'm talking long French curls. So I already prepared my hair because it's just way easier to work with and it's really faster. The extensions I'm going to be using are from Baota hair and they sent me 10 packs, and this is their French curls braiding hair in 22 inches, and this is how it looks like outside the nylon. So first thing, I just bring out each hair, I take them out, I loosen it and comb it. Please make sure to comb your hair because a lot of people don't comb their hair and then they get like knots in their hair and it's not just smooth and seamless. So I'm just braiding my hair first, then I take a little piece of braiding hair, I add it to it, I take another little piece of braiding hair, I add it to it, and that's basically how I'm doing it. Then I just braid all the way down till where I'm going to like bring out curls because I want it to be full and I want there to be like a lot of curls, and then I just like braid it all the way down to the end and take out more curls like as I'm going. Depending on how full you want it to be, you can just like take out curls as much as you want. I kept it like I think three, some I did three, some I did four, some I did five, depending on how full I wanted that particular section to be. So I'm doing it again for the second one, and I'm just braiding my hair first. Then I take the braiding hair, I take the first one, I braid it into my hair. I take the second one, I braid it into my hair, and basically I think I add like 2 to 3 or sometimes 4 braiding hair at the beginning just to make it like thick. Sometimes I add another braiding hair and I just take just one part out, and sometimes I take the braiding hair from the extension I'm braiding without adding another one. Then this is how I tie it. I tie a knot, and first I bring out like a very tiny strand, as tiny as a thread. Then I just like knot it in the way I'm doing in this video. I really hope you can understand what I'm doing because it's really easy, and I knot it about 2 to 3 times, and this is what it looks like. So this is what the curls look like, just the back. This is what it looks like when like I'm almost at the end of the back. So I'm using Shiner Jam and I just put a little, like I said, always comb your hair before you make any braids. It's very important. And then I take like little pieces of braiding hair and I just add to it as full as I want. So for the middle, I don't add as much because my middle hair is really thick and I just don't want it to be too fat, like fatter than the other parts. So this is what it looks like. I wanted you to see how it is. So it's just like taking curls out and braiding it all the way down to the end, and then I just tie in knots after. I made sure like to remove my face from the video so you guys can see how I tie my knots, and this is how it is. So yeah, I just keep braiding because like it takes time, but I feel like because of it's not I'm not parting as I'm braiding, it's way easier for me and it's really faster. Like it took me like about 6 hours, and normally if I was lining it would take me, for this size it would take me like 8, 9, 10 hours. So I'm done with the back and I'm doing the front now. And the front, usually this period the front was faster than usual, so I just braid my hair. I'm actually doing the same thing, braid my hair, I'm feeding with the braiding hair and then just braid all the way down basically. And as I'm braiding I take out curls. I think for the front I didn't really add like pieces, then like take out a part, I just took out as I was braiding, and I'm just braiding the other parts all the way down, basically braiding it all the way down, taking out curls, and to just make it how I want it. So you can literally just make it as full as you want it. You can, if you don't want it to be too full, you don't need to add any curls. If you want it to be very like thin and just want the curls at the end, you don't need to add any curls. So this is literally the last braid, and I'm so excited for it because I really liked how it turned out. The braiding hair is really seamless. Like it didn't even stress me at all, and it was just very easy to work with, honestly, because this is the first time I'm doing like a French curls and I didn't have any issue with it because I was kind of nervous because I've seen so many times when people say if you've not done a French curl before you have to be like really careful so that you don't like tangle the hair and everything, but this hair didn't give me any stress, no tangles, and the curls are perfectly how I like it. So I'm just using this spray and then I go in with my Lotta Body mousse. It did not affect the curls. So this is the finished look. This is really gorgeous. Like I'm so in love with this hair. I cannot wait to flaunt it out and like just take it out. This is what the scalp looks like, the roots, and this is what the curls look like. You can see how full it is. This is exactly what I wanted. So this is what the back looks like. It's so nice. This is what it looks like from the back. This is it, and you can see how nice it looks. So this is like me in a side part, then this is like half up, half down, and You can literally style your hair in several ways, literally like how you do for a braid. This is like a bun, half up, half down thingy going on with like a side droppings. And this is like bun with side droppings. Like these colors are to die for. Like, thank you so much for watching. Bye.